Like it was someone who made a comment. I've just been looking at photos of my friends on like Douglas and the Tram, and I'm very jealous, right? And then I got James around the back of the wheel, and I like looked around the front of the and started very jealous at the same time. We just packed ourselves because we were like, I could tell by look on his face he was going to say it too. But I anyway, so back to my dream. Sorry, I'm so sorry. Get carried away. Yeah. So I had this dream that I was like best friends with like in like year 7. Like I was at Flinders. Yeah.
Wow, how good is this?
And like so it's like we're at like on Canada Day in like we're in like best friends. And we're in like this it's open, it's got staying on the wall, and no roof. And stuff is happening here, like breathing. So like that was just it wasn't like so we were in there together and like something's wrong. Like it goes to like like dishes and stuff like stuff on the outside and we're running
Hello passengers, due to the Queen's birthday public holiday today, trams run to a Saturday frequency, with the last tram approximately 1 hour earlier than the normal Saturday timetable. Night network trams are not running. For details, visit eurotrams.com.au. Thank you.
yeah, so we're running
Shed. The heritage-listed Mission to Seafarers building, built in 1917 in the Spanish mission style, is part of an international organisation offering support to seafarers of all nationalities. The building hosts art and cultural events throughout the year and is open to the public from 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. every day.
sort of like in front of where he is. And then I'm laying there and I'm like, right? That's why